Learn Vital Vocabulary Part 10. Get. We add new words every week. Get with adjectives for change. It's light. It's getting dark. It's dark. Get with adjectives for change. He is sick. He is getting well. Get with adjectives for change. I'm getting tired. I'm getting wet. Get plus noun. If you don't have something, you can go get it. I want to mail this letter. I'm going to get a stamp. No money? I'm going to get a job. Get plus noun. I want to get some coffee. Do you want some? Where can I get a taxi? Get to, reach a place or arrive. How can I get to the airport? When you get to New York, call me. Thank you for watching. Visit Learn English Classroom on Facebook and YouTube at Check You Soon.